Hi, welcome to KDCI. Today, we're going to explore 10 major reasons why US property management companies outsource to the Philippines. Property management companies in the US can enjoy a lot of benefits once they choose to outsource their property management functions to the Philippines. This include number 1, we have cost-effective labor pool. The labor cost advantage of outsourcing property management tasks to the Philippines provides property management companies with access to a skilled workforce at a competitive rate. This enables them to optimize operations, reduce expenses, and enhance profitability while also offering flexibility and scalability. Number 2, highly skilled talent pool. The Philippines has a large pool of skilled professionals in property management who excel in tasks such as property leasing, maintenance, accounting, and administrative tasks, allowing U.S. property management companies to benefit from their expertise and deliver high quality services for efficient property management operations. Number 3, time zone advantage. The favorable time zone compatibility between the Philippines and the US provides a competitive advantage for property management companies, allowing them to extend operational coverage, provide round the clock support, streamline operations, and efficiently manage their workforce. This results in improved customer service, adaptability to market conditions, and enhanced competitiveness in the industry. Number 4, excellent English proficiency. The Philippines' high level of English proficiency, along with cultural affinity with the US, allows property management companies to communicate smoothly and effectively with their counterparts in the Philippines. This results in improved operational efficiency, productivity, and better understanding of the US property management market requirements for effective execution of tasks. 5. Advanced technological infrastructure. The well-developed IT infrastructure in the Philippines, including reliable internet connectivity and access to advanced technologies, software, and tools, presents a significant advantage for property management companies. This allows them to optimize operations, streamline processes, and deliver exceptional services to clients. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Outsourcing property management tasks to the Philippines allows property management companies to achieve scalability and flexibility in their operations by easily augmenting or adjusting their workforce based on fluctuating workloads. This is done without incurring overhead costs, providing them with a competitive advantage in the dynamic real estate market and enables them to seize growth opportunities and expand operations. 7. Allows focus on core functions. Outsourcing non core functions to qualified professionals in the Philippines allows property management companies to focus on their core competencies, optimize internal resources, maximize productivity, streamline operations, and strategically allocate resources, freeing up time and effort for critical tasks such as property marketing, tenant relations, and strategic planning in the real estate market. 8. Enhanced customer service. The availability of skilled and English speaking talent in the Philippines allows property management companies to deliver exceptional customer service to tenants, owners, and other stakeholders. Prompt and efficient handling of tenant inquiries and maintenance requests, along with clear communication in English, builds trust and improves tenant satisfaction. This also contributes to the overall improved customer service levels. 9. Streamlined operations. Outsourcing property management tasks to the Philippines streamlines operations, optimizes performance, and improves process efficiencies. Skilled professionals and advanced technologies enable efficient and effective task execution, resulting in increased productivity and improved business operations. And lastly, we have 10. Competitive edge. By combining all the benefits of outsourcing property management services to the Philippines, property management companies are opening their operations to advantages that aren't locally accessible by their competitors. This gives them a highly competitive edge in the market. Outsource the best property management services to the Philippines. Go to kdci.co to learn more.